There are two types of water pumps: PWM pump and linear pump. Connect the PWM pump to the PWM ports P1 and P2. Connect the linear pump to the V9P mu CAN port. 1. Open the ground station and tap Device Management. Select and enter sprayer. 2. Click Pump Calibration. Note: PWM pump requires a flow meter. Make sure the nozzles are not blocked and the tank has sufficient water. Click Start Calibration. After finishing, you can check the maximum and minimum flow rates of the pump. 2. Tap Configure Pump. Click Pump Calibration 1. Ensure the weighing sensor is stable and correctly installed, and that the tank has sufficient water. Tap Start Calibration. After calibration, you can click Curve 1 to view the calibration curve. As shown in the figure, the flow rate increases synchronously as the PWM increases, which means calibration is successful. 3. Repeat the above steps to calibrate linear pump 2. Upon completion, if the flow rate increases synchronously as the PWM increases, calibration is successful. Thanks for watching.